Good morning. Happy President's Day. I'm just putting this video together. I was just asked to speak about how I did the stereo or the sub in the 2025 RAM RHO. This is actually my third attempt at trying to put this video together. I started off with sitting in the truck. My phone was connecting to the Apple CarPlay, and I didn't have any volume on my phone. So I was just talking and there was no actual sound. So this is my third attempt and let's get into it. This is not even mine, it's my company's RHO. Yes, I'm blessed and spoiled and very thankful to work for a good company that allows me to get the truck that I would like. I put a Kicker L7, it's a square single 12-inch sub in. So I mounted it under the back seat. It's basically near center. All right, that's just gonna keep popping down. So it's mounted. It is upside down just because of the way the hump is in the Ram. There's a hump here. In my Ford, I had it normal, and it fit under the seat well. I also put in the Kicker KXA amp. I've used these quite a bit in a lot of my vehicles. Oh my goodness. It's mounted here. The reason I use those is it doesn't require a signal from a remote signal, a 12-volt ignition signal. It just turns on when it senses volume or speaker input. So those are handy. You don't have to track down a switched wire. So they also come with a Bluetooth like bass knob, so you don't have to wire that either. You can put it wherever you want. I'm just going to show under the seat here. If you can see, I stripped back the wiring. You can see I did have a wiring kit for this thing, which I didn't end up using because I didn't need it. For whatever reason, the automatic noise cancellation, it just didn't affect the stereo install I did. You can't hear the humming or anything like that. So just left it the way it was. I plumbed into the low frequency amp output. If you want, I can show the wires of that later on. Just make a comment down below. Anyways, here is this is where I put the Bluetooth bass knob. In my other videos, I did try to run the sub, but because I had no speaker volume on my phone, you can't hear anything anyways. It does pound quite a bit better than the factory stereo, but the factory stereo is pretty decent as well. So figured I'd just put this together and get it out there. Thanks for your time.